Siphinde sinibingelele kwiKhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini usubscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Ilunga le-MK Party lixwayiswa ngobungozi bokuthi isitha sazi umongameli ngaphambi kokuba amalungu e-MK Party am-understand. Awuyizweleke liyibeka ngokwalo.
Ngifisa ukuyithinta leyo ukuthi ingozi enkulu esibhekene nayo eyokuthi i-enemy yethu ikwazi ukum-understanda kuqala umsholozi before sim-understande thina ukuthi ubhekephi nale political something ayenzayo. I'm just referencing this to a recent move kaFloyd. Ngithi kuyingozi ngani ukuthi i-enemy yethu im-understande kuqala umsholozi kunathi? Because our enemy can come with his counter strategy. Esingasiconfuse kakhulu ugcine ngempela sesibone ngiyako umsholozi. At some point umsholozi wayikhuluma lento, wayikhuluma ngama-4 pillars of the struggle. But he was making emphasis in one of the pillars, and he was saying the most important thing that we need to do as a society, as the ANC then, the vanguard class, was to make sure that the society is not confused around these 4 pillars. And he was talking about one pillar that he said it was a central pillar. What was that one central pillar out of 4 pillars he was talking about? And he was saying, what is important to do is to make sure that the society, the black class, are not confused about this one central pillar. Because he said, if that pillar is not part of negotiations and we don't succeed to achieve objectives behind it, we will then know that we have actually failed in the negotiations. Nyati utubuya msholozi ehlaziya le ukuthi yipi le phela ukhuluma ngayo, but the point of ukuyithatha enkulumeni yakho ile ethi it is important for a society to understand what its leaders are doing and why certain things are doing them, because some of these things are warfare political strategies that ama-leaders ethi angayakwazi ukuphumela ubala asitshele sazi ukuthi nasi strategy sos-apply kumlungu ngenxa ukuthi umlungu uzobelalele naye. So inkinga-ke ngifuna manje uyi-analyze zingeni eliphakeme noma eli-sophisticated intellectually to see ukuthi umsholozi uyaphi lento ayenzayo. Sabona kuzoFloyd manje ku-EFF, from EFF to MK, kusho ukuthini? Ngithi kuyingozi masinga-understand ngoba abanye bethu bazoqhubeka bedakwe inzondo mhlambe kaFloyd noma ukuphikisana noFloyd. Kanti umsholozi useyifaka ebhaxeni kamnandi manje. Uyayi-align lento ingena ithi khaxa. Futhi make yangena will be more strengthened and consolidated as MK plus the entire progressive forces. Kuyingozi singakwazi ukum-understand ukuthi lento uyenzelani. Why this movement? Kuyingozi ngani? Our enemy is as sophisticated as msholozi. Bayakwazi bona ukumbona ukuthi okay usebhekele ngoba kade babelwa naye bese bemshekelela ngaphambili. Inkinga sekutheni-ke mase bemshekelela, part of ukumshekelela kwabo ucreator i-misconception namanga ngaye azokwenza thina sigcine sesidawutha yena umsholozi. The more simdawutha, the more kwehla ishodi kumsholozi lokwenza lento afuna ukuyenza ayachieve. Nabo abanye bethu beqala bemshiya umsholozi bebuyela ko-DA bebuyela ku-ANC nobani bani, and siyajabula enemo beyabona ukuthi hey kuba simphazamisanga umsholozi lapha besifa. Ubuhlungu lobo ngingazi kahle manje umsholozi uhleli nabo. Ziningi i-strategy umsholozi ayi-applyile ube sasim-understanda kangcono, ngabe samsupporta kakhulu ngalo mzuzu wa-achieve into ey'nkulu. Kodwa ngoba sasingam-understandi kwathina, sibuye sitshelwe enemy yethu ukuthi ubani umsholozi, uright yini, singamkholwa yini, simsupporte yini, thina sibuye sitshelwe enemy yethu. Emva kwaloko sibuye sije sesihlanu phela ezinzima kabi. There was corruption in Nkandla. He built his homestead using the funds of the state. Mase phuma ama-fact akusinjalo. Umsholozi wakho lo muzi, the only expense that was there or ama-security related features nale swimming pool le eyenza sense uma ungabe ucabanga sobhala ekhanda lakho ukuthi isenkandla lapha yonke amanzi leya mizi yakhiwe ngotshani udinga amanzi amaningi ukucima umlilo phakathi uyaqala umlilo bakhona. So uthi ube the pool of water egcekeni is important. 1. 2, should it be a pool engasetshenziswa? Ngoba phela amanzi khona uzohleze ezoba part of igceke. Ngeke ube idam nje elifakwe ring fensiwe elilindile ukusha fire. It has to be socially integrated into the community. So it makes sense ukuthi kube ipool engakwazi ukubhudeka kuyona, but should, in case of fire, the same pool become a source of water. It makes perfect sense. But because now we're too smart and too clever, sesitshelwa belungu uthi umsholozi ubheda ucorrupt engakanani, we believe that nonsense. Even saqhamuka i-report eqhamuka kwi-treasury eshoyo ukuthi kahle kahle out of 246 million ophakanyiswa ukuthi utshotshile umsholozi, only 7 million afaka ukhokhe back, and nalo 7 million awutshotshwanga uyena futhi akuyona imali ntshontshiwe kuphela kwaba i-expenditure engabukeki ifanele ngokwanele ukuthi be part of security upgrades. That's why uThuli Madonsela wathi umsholozi has not stolen anything and got nothing to do with his values as a person. But moving forward, question is, after realizing that you've received a parcel that was meant for the orphanage, what is your morality around it? Do you pay it back or you keep it? That's what Thuli Madonsela said. Wa-influence-wa-ke naye uthi gcina nasetshela sengathi khona inkinga kulento, watsheka-ke naye phela belungu banemali futhi uma sebekakhe kakhulu uyadakwa la ekhanda ngoba usungasazi noma umuntu omnyama wena ohlakaniphe kakhulu bonke abamnyama, so you're better off or whatever, ugcina usanganelwa ikhanda nawe. So inkinga-ke ilaba bafowethu, ingozi yokuthi ama-strategies kamsholozi abe too sophisticated for us to the point that you don't understand them. Ngoba if you don't understand something, it's hard to support it. And if you come home with umuntu ekusiza you understand the wrong, you are most likely to believe that person. So ke ngithi-ke mina kunina bafowethu asifunde sithi ukugxila kancane ekufundeni epolitiki, sithi ukujula kwe-analysis, so that at least we could come close to understanding umsholozi ukuthi wenzani. Ngoba if we don't understand ama-pieces khathi ehlangana, kuzoba lula sibone sathi umsholozi wrong. Maqhamuka bathi umsholozi nephunga sheshe silizwe nathi ngoba sisele kakhulu ngemuva. And umsholozi uyayazi lento uma ungayazi aba kayipointanga awuthi beneza go ukuthi out of these 4 pillars there's one central pillar that the society must not be confused around. Ofuna ukuyazi lento ikhona ivideo kamsholozi, ucinga ama video yakho uzoyithola ngalo ugqoke isudu engathi ifuna uba brownish or light brown in that video where he speaks about the key 4 central pillars of the struggle. And njengamanje ke lonto lo msholozi ithanda ukuba ingozi baba ngoba some of the pieces are moving around. Ordinary masses that are loyal voters are find it hard to understand, to the point that now we're most uba confused. They feel like hayi le ndoda nami nje asayiqondile, kanti uhamba emgudini oright msholozi, thina esaba lenhlathe yokwazi ukulandela siyakubona ukuthi hayi yahlangana imhlatsheza nawo la umsholozi njengamanje uqhamuka ngenhla ke manje uvuthuza amatshe ke manje avuthuzeleka kwi-enemy. And ngithi uyinkinga lo msholozi ngobani, enemy yethu yona iyakwazi uku-understanda kangcono bakade babelwa nawe bese beqala be-create ama-counter strategies asiconfuse as a society. Emnyama le oppressed. And isicelo sami-ke kuthina abafowethu esimnyama esingakamuzi umsholozi wenzani, ngicela okungenani simtruste in whatever that he does, because he knows what he does. He never forsaken us. So umuntu onjalo akwazi ukuthi out of small confusion bese uthi hayi shoot uyabheda cha hamba kwesinye isikeli lo muntu lwa